This is Nych. Nich's headquarters are in Charlotte, North Carolina, with a location in Canada. Nich's original name was Wambam Fence. Wambam Fence is a fun name, but people did not take a name like Wambam seriously. So Wambam Fence became Nych Brands, the parent of several different brands. Nych is also more credible when your in-laws ask where you work. At Nych, parking can sometimes be an issue, but it does not take long to get to your desk. Nych does not have cool stand-up desks, but your preferences are encouraged. This is where we get coffee every day. This is where we eat lunch together. There aren't too many restaurants close by, so we DoorDash and showcase our cooking skills. At Nych, we like each other. Mostly, we take our work seriously, but not ourselves. This is us participating in our community and celebrating each other's milestones. This is our daily plank. Don't worry, it's optional. Kind of. This is Bagel Tuesday. This is our monthly catered lunch. This is our meditation room. Let's be real, nobody really uses it. Maybe you can start a new trend. This is us doing a walking meeting or a sitting meeting. But mostly, we try not to have boring meetings. Okay, sometimes it's inevitable. This is an inspiring quote on the wall, because every company has to have that. This is our co-founder and president. She moved from Canada to start the business. This is important to mention because everyone loves Canadians. This is our product design team. This is their friend. They love him very much. Sometimes they print fun things for their colleagues. This is our Fence consultant team celebrating a sale. And this is a customer care rep trying to keep it down so they can offer great service. Great service is really important to us. This is the operations team. They move thousands of boxes a day. This is the returns team that makes injured boxes whole again. This is the parts team. They ship out missing and damaged parts. This is our software development team in Argentina. They help us utilize technology to be better. Technology is really important to us. This is our business development team, and this is our accounting and HR team. Nych designs and manufactures outdoor products. That does not sound very cool, but we are solving people's problems, and solving problems is very cool. Nych is hyper-focused around e-commerce and does business with large .com retailers. This shows how much we've grown in the past 5 years. 5 years ago, we had 5 employees. Now we have 38. We hope you will be number 39. Nych hires people who share our core values. Working for Nych isn't always easy. There are good days and bad days. We're not perfect, and we can be a little intense. But Nych tries very hard to be a place where people enjoy coming to work most days. Nych hires people from various backgrounds and with different life experiences and skills. If our core values align with yours, we invite you to apply.